Hello, friends. Welcome to Health Abshar, your trusted source for wellness and healthy living. Here you'll find herbal tips, natural remedies, and healthcare knowledge to make your life better and healthier. So let's begin our journey towards good health.
Cassia seeds, Hub al-Kalkal, small cardamom seeds, Hub al-Khalil, indigo seeds, Hub al-Nil, pine nuts, Hub Sonobor, bay laurel seeds, Hub Lagar, glowworm, Haba Hub, fennel seeds, Habal Samna, seeds, Habba, juniper seeds, Hub Sonobor, kernel, Habit, lodestone, Hajjar Maknatis.
Thanks for watching Health Abshar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you in the next video.